If you're making a business out of CNC, you have to put yourself where the money is being spent. You need to CNC a wedding right now. What to make, who to sell, how to package and promote is all ahead. From the moment the guests arrive to just as they depart the event, you are the star of the wedding. Okay, yes. Of course the bride is the star. You're the best supporting actor. Do not prospect brides and grooms. You might know one or two people who are getting married a year. You need to sell the local wedding planner. How do you prospect wedding planners? Come up with an idea and go ahead and make it. Simply drop off the items at the wedding planner's office. How does anyone know what you're capable of if you don't just show them? You need to pitch the venues as well because they're hosting 2 or 3 weddings a week. Get yourself in with the people that have access to a volume of business, not just a single person. Offer packages of products, specify different levels, and upsell with ideas. Build into offerings the wedding planner already has. Photo booths at nearly every single wedding. All kinds of junk people put on and take silly photos. Custom names and dates or props for the photo booth? Now you're starting to build a CNC wedding package. Let's start at the top, the arrival. Welcome signs, sandwich boards, direction signs around the wedding, celebration signs welcoming people to the event. You can make all of these. Art installations for a photo op right at the very entry of the event. I've done it on my CNC on my Shapeoko 3, RT50 for a 50th wedding anniversary. Everyone took a picture at that. They love that group of photos from everyone that was there. Large wall decor. Put something custom on an entire wall. By adding tiling to Carbide Create, we have allowed you the ability to make things that are massive compared to the size of your machine. Find photo inspiration for wall art all over the place. This is a huge Instagram trend, whether you're in Nashville or Los Angeles. When it comes to decor, let your mind go wild. Show your artistry. You've gotten people into the event with your signage. Now they're going to sign your custom-made signature book so they can leave a note for the bride or groom, and you've made the back and the front of that bounded together. Again, you're making this wedding something special. At most weddings, there's a reception and the bar. Give out drink tokens. Whether it's an open bar or a cash bar, drink tokens can be redeemed. Make these tokens so people can sign them and leave messages. The bartenders collect them, and later you can cast them into acrylic or cast them into epoxy or make them into a larger piece of art for the bride and groom. After the drinking, people are going to sit. Table accessories are another fertile ground for your CNC capability. Table numbers, make them parts of a whole, something that can later be assembled into a piece of art for the couple's home. Scrabble tiles, Art Deco numbers. Let people sign them or alter them in some way. You can offer different options for different packages. Collecting items at the event for a later build provides you the option for a second payday or an upgrade to an existing package. Centerpieces need not be flowers. They can be something you made. I made these for that RT50 event under glass with the fairy lights. They loved them. How about the wedding party? What can you do for them? Custom cufflinks, custom earrings, custom necklaces. All can be done on Shapeoko or Nomad. Easy peasy, brass, aluminum. All the stuff I've shown you before. What an event it's been. You're near the end. If you're my Italian family, you're gonna leave some envelopes full of cash for the bride and groom. You might wanna put those in a box. Here's one that one of our people made for exactly that purpose. I did one for a wedding last summer which contained cards of advice. Here's the next level idea. Give a gift to the couple. Say thank you by making something unique, featuring the date, the time, their wedding logo. Plant a seed for a future custom order, throw it in for free, and make that couple your new client. With the items we just talked about, an average spend of $2,500 per event is not unrealistic. 20 events in a year, that's $50,000 in revenue. Weddings, anniversaries, graduations, other large celebrations. You need to become the primary provider for a couple of local venues. Now you've built a business. Your creativity and capability has played a critical role. You made the wedding planner look like a hero. You increased everyone's enjoyment at the event, and best of all, you got paid. Win, 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 win.